Hello everyone, we are Wig Bangladesh. We are back again with a unique product which is mono frontless full head and the color code is #7. This color gives a shining beautiful appearance. This full head based wig offers complete coverage, providing you with the freedom to experiment with various hairstyles and looks. Here the base size is 12 ear to ear, 14 front to back, 22 round size, and the hair length is 8 inches. And the density is 130%, which is a heavy density. However, you can confidently wear it for extended periods without any discomfort. And important to keep this product looking its best, gently brush or comb the hair to remove any tangles before and after each wear. Use wig-friendly products for washing and conditioning and allow the wig to air dry on a wig stand. Discover a new level of style and confidence with mono frontless full head wig. Embrace your true self, embrace the possibilities. Thank you so much and have a nice day.